Hi, this is Mrs. Nelson. We're looking at Unit 8, Lesson 2, Statistical Questions. The objective says, I can distinguish statistical questions from non-statistical questions and explain the difference. Well, first we need to understand what makes a question statistical. There are two criteria. One, you have to collect data, whether that be numerical data, numbers, or categorical data, responses in words. You have to collect data, and there has to be variability. So when you're collecting that data and you're asking questions or making observations, there has to be more than one number or more than one word that could satisfy that situation. Lynn and her friends went out for ice cream after school. The following questions came up during their trip. Select all the questions that are statistical questions. Question 1. How far are we from the ice cream shop? Well, it's assumed they're all traveling together, so then they're all exactly the same distance away from the ice cream shop. So there's no variability. There's not one person that's closer and one person that's further away. So that is not a statistical question. What is the most popular ice cream flavor this week? Well, unless the ice cream shop only sells one flavor, which I don't know any that do, then you're going to have to look at a lot of customers and what they purchased before you can determine what is the favorite flavor. So the customers are going to be choosing a variety of flavors, and so that means there's more than one option as you collect this data. So that is a statistical question. What does a group of 4 people typically spend on ice cream at this shop? Again, you're going to have to look at a large number of 4 people to see what they spend. So you're going to have lots of different amounts, lots of different numerical data that you're going to be looking at as you collect this data. So yes, that is a statistical question. Do kids usually prefer to get a cup or a cone? So we have 2 options, so we have more than one option, and you're going to have to look at a large group of kids. You can't just watch 1 or 2 kids and be satisfied that you've gathered enough information. So you're going to have to observe or poll many kids to determine if they prefer a cup or a cone. So that is a statistical question. How many toppings are there to choose from? Well, this is a high-functioning ice cream shop. They never run out of toppings. So it does not matter what time of day you purchase or who you are when you're buying your ice cream. There's exactly the same amount of toppings every time. There's no variability. And since there's no variability, it cannot be a statistical question. The objective again says, I can distinguish statistical questions from non-statistical questions and explain the difference. So we noted all of these were collecting an attempt to collect data, but only some of them had variability while others did not. Thanks for watching.